Hi. Today, we present you one of the best photo editing software for beginners. Soft4Boost Photo Studio. Soft4Boost Photo Studio is a powerful image editing software that offers you a broad array of tools to make quick and easy corrections and enhancements to your digital photographs, allowing even beginners to enjoy professional quality results. Among the tools, Photo Studio offers features to rotate and crop images with no loss of quality, enhance the balance of color, tone, and shading, and adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation to completely change the style of your photos. Another innovative feature is Photo Studio's double screen, which displays one half of the photo in its original condition and the other with all of your enhancements, allowing you to see each of your changes and to undo any you don't like. With just a few clicks, this image editor lets you open and edit JPEG, BMP, TIFF, PNG, and GIF formats, among others. Soft4Boost Photo Studio can also eliminate red eye, transform objects, and correct small photo flaws. A perfect, professional quality photo editor that even beginning users can easily operate. We wish you a great day.
333download.com